Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create virtual desktop in Windows 10. So first of all, you need to go to the taskbar right here in the task view. Just click it here, and as you can see you have the desktop. Okay, so you have the desktop 1, desktop 2 and new desktop. So the desktop 1, desktop 2 and the new desktop. If we just press it here, we'll create a new desktop. So as you can see, we have two virtual desktop here. If we click to new desktop, we will add a new virtual desktop, and we can navigate to different desktop by clicking any of it. Okay, so if I just click on the virtual desktop 2, we will navigate to the desktop 2. It will increase your productivity. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel.